Hello,
Hello.
have you got your license?
Yep.
Where's it at?
What, do you want me to get it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been here 10 minutes.
Oh.
Hmm?
Okay.
Does that train just come off? Just
Yep.
come off your train. Right over and get yourself ready.
How are the roads looking?
It's okay-ish. Not bad. Well, today we've got Rachel in for our second attempt. Tell them what you feel for on your first attempt, Rachel.
Country roads.
What did you do wrong?
I was slowing down for bends which didn't need like changing down to second. I should just took gas off, go, and then keep going faster.
And she knew she was doing wrong when she was actually doing it, didn't you?
I could hear him just going.
And then we had our final mock test yesterday, last night, the day before. Tell them what you feel for again.
Well, the one for yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, speed again.
Driving like an old granny on a road that she knows well. It was like a runway strip and she only got to 30 miles an hour and somebody overtook us. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a nice smooth drive. We're going to do all the manoeuvres, the control stop. Hopefully it'll be lovely and smooth and be no faults, and then we're going to get to the test at the end. Hopefully get it past it here.
Yeah.
She comes all the way over from Newcastle for our driving lessons. Dear me, I'm getting the train. Have any questions before we start?
No.
Go on, and when you're ready. So can you put the aircon up?
Well, I'll do it when we stop now.
So at the end of the road, turn left. And then at the roundabout, turn right. Remember, when you follow them left corners round there, will you follow that curb round? Now look for ESC, I'm sweating here. ESC. There you
Simple.
go. It wasn't hard, was it?
No.
Rachel likes to look through a telescope when she's driving a car, don't you?
Yeah.
Right, have you got that? Good. Now let's go and meet the exam.
Oh dear.
You are?
Oh dear. I don't feel as nervous as last time though.
Yep.
It's just making sure to be not concentrate.
Take the second left, that's the first one.
How are you feeling?
I always feel nervous all the time. Because it's easy to feel, isn't it?
Yeah, silly things.
Yeah. Starting to sweat. Day. Go on, look how many tests is on.
Yikes.
3, 5.
Oh dear.
6 tests, right. I'll tell you what, just go upstairs, I'll park it for you, okay?
Okay, wait.
Go on, go upstairs.
Oops.
You're never going to get near it, otherwise you're going to be late and start twisting the face of this, right?
That's alright. So
just go up the stairs. I'm going to try and get in that car. Will you do it, yeah? Dude. Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done, Rachel.
I passed. Woo.
How does it feel?
It feels better. It feels way better.
Does
Now my summer starts. So yeah.
Yeah, well done. What was the driving exam like?
He was really nice.
Was he?
Yeah. Every time I was like bumping down stairs, he was like, "It's fine, it's fine." And I was talking to myself, I was like, "It's fine." It was really nice.
What manoeuvre did you do?
Parallel park.
Oh yeah, she caught the curb. Did you fix it?
Yeah. Because it was like rattling, and I was like, "This is not good." So I just went that way.
Yeah.
And then just tried to get back. So yeah. That's the only thing. I was alright on the way there and back, but then after that parallel, that's the only thing where I was like, oh. But yeah.
She got 3 driver faults. Tell them what they were for.
The curb, I think
But you can't forget the other one, are we? Position you.
And speed a bit.
Driving like an old granny again. How many times have I told you that one? Tell you me. She says you only got up to 47. There was a wagon in front. She said you could have gone a bit faster. Oh, well done.
Thank you so much. Oh, it has been a journey to get to this point.
Yeah. Coming all the way from Newcastle on the train to do our lessons.
Oh.
Feels good, doesn't it? Yeah, well done.
I'm gonna go and surprise them. I think I might just take a train home tomorrow and just be like, Yeah, because my mum was like, come back with a license, so I'll just come back and be quiet. And just
did she know you've got your test booked?
Nope. She was just like, Rachel, go back, get the license, try again. Don't come back here till you've got a license.
So what you said? What's your mum called?
Agnes.
Agnes?
Yeah.
Your daughter's a star. What a lovely young lady this one is. Very polite, friendly, always has a smile. Even when she tries and kills it, she still laughs her head off.
Oh.
Lovely young lady. I'm buzzing now.
Oh, thank you. But it's to you. Thank you. Because my video instructor wouldn't have even took me for a test at all. He still said I'll get back to you back in March, Feb. So but yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Feels good.
It feels way better than last time.